Saw your question in the email. You gotta draw a picture. That may be the hardest part. You're supposed to have a telephone pole here that's 45 foot tall, and the guide wire is 4 foot from the top. So you got 41 foot below the guide wire here, and you got another 4 foot, which you can ignore above it. So you attach a guide wire to your telephone pole on the ground, and it's 26 feet away. And they tell you the angle of elevation uphill 17 degrees. Well, this would be a right angle, so 90 minus 17, that'd be 73. And this would be a straight angle, 180 minus 73, which would be 107 degrees for this angle. I guess this relates to the law of cosines, so you know two sides and an included angle. And so, here I've set that up, with the law of cosines, and you just need to complete it. Hope this helps.